Today I'm going to be replacing my stock steering wheel with this hydro-dipped carbon fiber steering wheel by TESFEEL. I'm super excited to give this one a try because when some of the leather starts going on your steering wheel, if you don't want to stitch it like I did for myself, you have this right here, which is supposedly supposed to fit with all your stock pieces, and you shouldn't have to try to make anything fit. So I'm excited to go ahead and give this a try. Safety always comes first, so what we need to do is we do need to go ahead and unplug the battery since we are going to be dealing with an airbag. I'm just using a 10mm socket to go ahead and loosen the bolt to be able to pull it off. The next thing we're going to be doing is working on removing the old steering wheel. Now, before we can remove the whole steering wheel, we actually have to go ahead and remove this airbag here. Now, there are two little holes on either side of the steering wheel that you need to use something to go ahead and push into it. Now, it did take us quite a while. We were using Allen keys to start. The problem with these were they were too thin, so they would get pushed past the bar or the mechanism that we needed to hit. So what we ended up doing is we ended up using, this is like a stake that you use for like Halloween decorations or Christmas decorations, and this just happened to work. It was just the right amount of thickness, and it was long enough that we could push it in there, get the mechanism without it getting pushed past, and pop out the airbag. Now we should be able to just pull the airbag out. On the back side of the airbag right here, I actually flipped it around because it gave me a little bit more wiggle room. There's these two plugs right here with these two orange tabs. There's one more up here. It's right here. So all I should have to do is lift this up, unplug. So we're going to be removing this T50 bolt right here. We did end up having to use a breaker bar to break it loose, but now that it is loose, we're going to go ahead and use the electric ratchet to remove it. So that one is just a clip. So that one should just come right out. These go through that hole. So now that we've removed the old steering wheel, we do have to remove the trim bezel as well as the buttons. Now there are going to be two T20 screws right on the inside, one there, one there. So I'm just going to use an electric screwdriver with a T20 bit to go ahead and unscrew that. You can see I'm prying it, but I'm not forcing anything. Just taking my time. Now this bezel is ready to be lined up and screwed back in. I know that once I screw it in, it's going to be secure, but I just want to make sure it's sitting as flush as it's supposed to be, because nothing will drive me crazy more than if it's not sitting flush. So the next thing that we have to do after we replace the front face and the buttons is we actually are going to take this back face off the stock steering wheel and transfer it over to the new steering wheel. Luckily, this is the same head as the other bolts that we took off, so it is a T20. Once I pried loose the top piece right here, I had to go ahead and take some pry tools up and around and just work it through. And then from there, it actually popped off pretty easily. Making sure all your cords are tucked. And then you just gotta work your way around. Okay, that side's on. There we go. So now I just need to screw in the back, and then we're ready to reinstall this into the Bronco. We're going to go ahead and realign it. We're going to start by making this connection right here. We are going to have to torque this bolt to 46 foot-pounds after we get it all tightened. And I'm going to start by connecting this clear connector right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take this yellow guy right here. And now we can push those orange tabs in. Our airbag is now officially ready to be pushed back in. And don't forget, once everything is all done, you're going to go ahead and reconnect your battery terminal. It's actually a really nice steering wheel. I feel like it looks good. It feels good. I'm excited to see how it drives. I like the way it looks. I like that it matches my Maybit carbon fiber light that I have going on in the Bronco. If you're looking to update your Bronco with any new accessories, go ahead and check out. We have 2 different accessory videos, so go ahead and check that out right here. And if you liked this video or you found it helpful, then go ahead and subscribe to our channel. It helps us out a lot. And we will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.